Hi everyone, we are Group 9, and I will be discuss to you the all-age dependency ratio for world's 10 largest economies. So here a discussion of the all-age dependency ratio data for the world's 10 largest economies as presented in the image. For overview the image display a chart illustrating the age dependency ratio for the world's 10 largest economies. So, the ratio is calculated as the number of people age 65 and older per 100 people between the age of 18 and 64. So, the chart compares the ratio for the year 2020 with projections for 2050. So, this is observation for Japan. 2020 and 50 elderly per 100 working age people, and 2050 70 elderly per 100 working age people. The highest ratio is both years with a sharp increase reflecting rapid aging. In South Korea, 2020 30 elderly per 100 working age people. 2050 65 elderly per 100 working age people, one of the fastest growing ratio, jumping from below the global average to near Japan's 2050 level. And Italy, 2020, 35 elderly per 100 working age people, and 2050, 60 elderly per 100 working age people, a high and rapidly increasing ratio, consistent with Europe's aging trend. And Germany,
Germany. Observation. Its growth is driven by the retirement of the post-World War II baby boom generation, even the recent immigration to boost the workforce. France. Key observation. The only major European economy with a ratio that stays relatively low through 2050, thanks for the EU's highest fertility rates. Next is China. Key observation, the most dramatic jump in absolute terms from from just 18 elderly per 100 working age people in 2020 to 45 in 2050, fueled by the one child policy legacy.
United Kingdom. Its moderate growth is uniquely balanced by stable fertility rates and consistent immigration, setting it apart from other Western European nations. Canada. High immigration targeting working age individuals is the primary reason its ratio remains lower than the US and most European economies. United States, the only high-income economy with both above average fertility rates and lower life expectancy, creating the slowest growth among developed nations.
India. Key observation by far the lowest ratio in the G10. Its 2015 projection 20 is still lower than most countries' 2020 figures due to the large young demographic base. Global average key observation. The ratio will more than double from 2020 to 2050, meaning aging populations will be a nearly universal challenge for the world's economies.